Hello YouTube. I'm deciding to take another video of this Friedrich air conditioner before I take it out of the window for packing. So I'm going to let y'all see the inside of the chassis and the air conditioner. Here's the coil, electronic control board, and now I'm going to slide it out for y'all. Alright, here we go. Let y'all see this. It's all wet. Do this with one hand. I don't want to drop it. Here's the compressor. The fan motor right here. This fan, it's got a wraparound coil, which I really like. I think that's cool and unique for this kind of unit. And some foam there, don't know where that came from. It's a good unit. We're gonna take it out next Friday and we're gonna pack this unit, but I'm just showing you the inside. And it works really good. There's the outside. It's got a little coil guard for the coil. Let me shove this back in here for y'all. It's got a little exhaust vent. It's missing the little lever right there. And I don't know what this is. Probably from the old store that it came from. But yeah, this is gonna get a lot of use. We're moving into a new room, a new house, and it's gonna go into party room. It's gonna have all my amps, stereo equipment. I'll show you that after we move. Turn it on for you. Let y'all listen. Nice clean unit. Fan. Here's the fan motor, or fan blade. Auto swing does work. Gotta fix the loop there. Just have it taped. Not really good. If any of y'all know where I can get another side panel for it, that'll be really appreciated. Yeah, it's rattling because it's not screwed in. Hope y'all like this. More to come later.